What's up, everybody? Today I am racing, but my brother's on a bike ride. I'm just practicing. But my brother's going to come back. You're going to meet him. Oh no. And you're going to see what's up. This is what I'm going to do. So here is Reese's collection of monster trucks, cars, whatever you want to call it. Those are all his, and I bought some for him. And I think I bought that one. Mom bought that one. That was for my cousins. Mom bought that. Somebody bought that for Reese. It was for his birthday. And so I'm going to race. See that bit? We're going to do slash car, slash motorcycles. See the dirt over there? That's actually not real dirt. It's just fake. Just a toy that Reese got. And so, I'm gonna move my legs. So, let's just do a close-up of Reese's cards and stuff. Oh, hey! Where'd you come from? Boom, 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 boom. Son of a digger. Oh, we got one flipped over. Let's go. Let's open. Ugh. Got him. That's what it's gonna look like. Okay. First, we're going to check out me. Then we'll go on a race. Let's go. I can't hold this at once. Oh, I'm not telling you what I'm recording. But one round and you'll see what it is. Okay, you guys? Okay. When I'm done, I'll pick it up. Watch me. You know, I'm gonna pick that up right up. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's take a look at the dirt track. Boom. You probably see that jump. And you probably see that jump. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. You have to see the motorcycle. Oh no, a leg. Oh no, he's down. He's down. Oh, he got back up. If you're a big fan of monster trucks and race cars, you better be watching this. Winner! Everybody, say good job. Good job. And so, this is a slash Skylander episode. So if you don't like monster trucks, but you like Skylanders, check out my Skylanders. Let's go. Okay, first, we got good guys. We got I'll line them up. You guys.